Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com, how to use tamoxifen and antidepressants safely, key takeaways. Some antidepressants, like Paxil or Prozac, can make tamoxifen less effective. Tamoxifen is used for treating estrogen-receptor-positive breast cancer. Not all breast cancers have estrogen receptors, but tamoxifen blocks estrogen effects in those that do. Summary. Tamoxifen is a cancer drug used to treat estrogen receptor-positive breast cancer. It can slow or stop the spread of cancer by blocking the effects of estrogen. Antidepressants are commonly used to treat depression in people with breast cancer. However, certain antidepressants, particularly selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors, SSRIs, like Paxil and Prozac, can interfere with the metabolism of tamoxifen, reducing its effectiveness. To avoid this interaction, it is recommended to use antidepressants that are less likely to inhibit the enzyme responsible for metabolizing tamoxifen, such as Celexa, Lexapro, Effexor, and some tricyclic antidepressants. Patients should discuss the potential risks and benefits of any antidepressant they take with their healthcare provider to make an informed choice. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. /speak